Friere Zitronen ein und reibe sie. So wirst du ihre erstaunlichen Eigenschaften entdecken. Wofür benutzt du Zitronen? Wie die meisten, wahrscheinlich zur Dekoration von Speisen? Vielleicht legst du auch eine Scheibe in ein Glas Tee oder du presst den Saft aus und trinkst ihn mit Wasser? Wenn du denkst, es reicht nur ihren Saft zu trinken, liegst du falsch. Die Zitrone hat viel mehr zu bieten. Nur wenige nutzen sie zu 100%. Es ist an der Zeit, das zu ändern. Das Einfrieren von Zitronen bringt zusätzliche Vorteile. Eine solche Zitrone behält alle ihre Eigenschaften und mehr. Um die Zitrone einzufrieren, musst du sie zuerst waschen. Gib Wasser in ein Gefäß und füge Apfelessig hinzu. Der Essig entfernt Giftstoffe von der Zitrone. Wasche sie, trockne sie dann ab und lass sie für ein paar Stunden an der Luft trocknen. Danach legst du sie ins Gefrierfach. Am nächsten Tag holst du die Zitrone heraus und reibst sie samt Schale. Die Zitronenschale stärkt das Immunsystem und bekämpft Entzündungen. Sie reinigt die Nieren, entgiftet die Leber, reguliert den Blutdruck und lindert Depressionen. Sie hilft im Kampf gegen Krebs und beugt Asthma vor. Es wird empfohlen, statt Zitronensaft zu trinken, Smoothies zu machen, die auch die Schale enthalten. Reibe die ganze Zitrone mit den Kernen, gib die geriebene Zitrone in ein Glas und verschließe es. Bewahre sie am besten im Gefrierfach auf. Verwende sie als Zutat für Smoothies, Desserts, Frühstücksflocken oder Mittagessen. Sie stärkt, reinigt und entgiftet den Körper optimal.
My dishwasher smelled like rot. I placed a few cut lemons inside and ran a cycle with no dishes. Lemon peels work as a natural degreaser. They dissolve soap residue, lime scale, and grime. They also freshen the drain and neutralize bad odors. Now my dishwasher smells fresh again. No chemicals needed. Put the lemons in a bowl and step on them to release every drop of juice. My feet even get a moment of relaxation from it. Then, sprinkle everything with baking soda and pour in hot water. Dip the mop and let the ingredients blend. Mop the floors thoroughly. This mixture leaves the floor not only perfectly clean, but beautifully refreshed with a citrusy lemon aroma that makes you want to walk on it barefoot. These two citrus fruits will make your oven look like new again. It's a simple and natural method that helps you get rid of grease and burnt-on residue without using harsh chemicals. All you need is one lemon, sliced into thin pieces. This fruit is known not only for its high vitamin C content, but also for its natural cleaning and refreshing properties. Then take a lime and slice it as well. Lime contains citric acid, which effectively helps dissolve grease, remove dirt, and neutralize unpleasant odors. Place the sliced lemon and lime on a baking tray or in an oven-safe dish and put it into the oven. Add a small amount of water, just enough to lightly cover the bottom. Then set the oven to a high temperature and leave it for about 20 minutes. During this time, citrus steam will form, softening burnt food residue and greasy buildup on the walls. The steam reaches even the corners, making cleaning quick and easy. After that, simply wipe the inside with a damp sponge or cloth. The dirt comes off effortlessly without scrubbing, leaving behind a fresh citrus scent. It's the best homemade way to get a clean and shiny oven without effort or wasted time.
In just 1 hour, you can completely get rid of ants. You'll eliminate the entire ant nest without using any harmful chemicals. All you need are 2 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a lemon. It's the main ingredient in this trick. Then prepare some matches. They're the second key component. The lemon plays a crucial role here. Its juice and peel contain natural essential oils that are toxic to ants and disrupt their communication. Take the matches out of the box and stick them into the lemon, with the wooden ends going in and the sulfur tips pointing outward. Use at least a dozen. The more, the better. Let me explain how it works. Place the prepared lemon directly on the ant nest or wherever you often see ants. You'll notice the first results within minutes, and the problem will be gone after about an hour. The matches absorb the lemon juice, which triggers the sulfur to dissolve. This natural combination drives ants away effectively and keeps them from coming back. There's no need to spend money on expensive products. What you already have at home is enough. It's a cheap, safe, and effective way to deal with ants in your garden, on your patio, or inside your home. I always bring a lemon to a barbecue. It saves me a lot of time and stress. The acid in lemons works wonders. I don't know a better or easier method than this lemon trick. I've never used a quicker solution. I'm sure you already have these items at home. Just regular salt and lemons. Take them with you to the grill. Cut the lemon in half evenly. That's one of our main ingredients. The second one is salt. Pour some salt onto a small plate. Grab a fork and head to your grill. Now stick the fork into the lemon and dip it into the salt. Press it down so the salt sticks well. When the grill is empty, place the lemon with salt on it. Start scrubbing the hot grate with it. The lemon acid combined with salt works like magic. Normally, cleaning the grill takes time and expensive products. I have to admit, I used to make that mistake and spent way too much. Plus, this way you know there are no harsh chemicals left where your meat goes. Just prepare your lemon ahead of time. It works on any grill. Look at the final result. It's amazing. Just a few seconds and the grill is sparkling. Add lemon to petroleum jelly, and you'll save a lot of money. Start by taking 1 lemon. To extract as much juice as possible, gently roll the lemon while pressing it with your hand. In a clean bowl, add 2 small spoonfuls of plain petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is a product many people use, but not everyone knows its wide range of applications. It creates a protective barrier that prevents moisture loss, hydrates, softens, and accelerates the regeneration of dry skin. To the bowl, also add 2 small spoonfuls of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, take a small pot, pour water into it, and bring it to a boil. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice in the pot to warm the mixture in a water bath. Once all the ingredients are melted and combined, prepare a small airtight container. Pour the mixture into the container and let it cool. Use this mixture on your hands, face, and neckline. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow your skin to absorb it well, then rinse it off. Apply the blend to your elbows and knees, where the skin tends to be darker and rougher. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be well hydrated and nourished. I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2. If any seeds get into the juice, strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decollete. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days.